Hello everyone, I'm Engineer Oyi. As you can see, I'm here to fit cooler LE and the watch. Follow me to the video. As you can see, I'm here to fit cooler LE watch. The watch that is here, I'm going to fit it for you. Cooler LE 2007 model. Follow me and see. As you can see here, this is how you can fit it. You can see. I've already put it already. So here is going to be body this button. Then you are going to put it like this. This is the key. Here you go. Where is the cover? Then put the cover. Pull it. It's not okay. Then you turn it like this. Put it back. You can see. Then you are now put the bolt. They're tightening it for here. If you know this one, it can't tight. So you have to use the tester so that here we get mark. That I already used it before. But if you use tester here, they will know that you use it. You can, as you can see now, everything you can use tester. You can see that you now carry this cover AC control. Then you now put it like this. Put it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate. Thank you. Keep watching. Love you all. Thank you so much.